Yo, what's going on guys, Swift here and welcome back to a brand new video. And today what I'm going to be doing is showing you all how to record your computer screen, and this is a 2020 guide. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is hit the link in the description, and that's going to take you to the Streamlabs OBS website right here. And all you want to do is just download Streamlabs OBS. I've already got it, so I'm not going to click, so just click that and it should only take, well, depending on your internet, maybe a minute or two to download. And once you've done that, you should get Streamlabs OBS right here. It's really easy. Obviously I've got it already, so I'm not going to be doing that. Okay guys, so once you've downloaded OBS, first thing you want to do is see sources here. You want to press plus to add a new source, and you want to choose display capture here, so click on that, add source, and you can change the name of that if you want. You don't really have to, you can just press add source there. And yes, you want to choose your display. Should have display. If you've only got one monitor, it should just have one display, so you just click on that. And capture cursor, if you want to be able to show your mouse here, then you have that ticked. If not, then you uncheck that and then just press done. Now once you've done that, if you want, that's literally all you have to do to record your screen. You can just press record and start recording now, but that's probably not the best thing to do because you're going to want to change your settings and stuff to get some good quality. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you want to go down to the bottom left corner here and press the settings button, and the first thing we're going to do is go to output. So first thing, you want to have simple as the output mode. Streaming, I mean, if you're not going to be streaming, you don't really have to do anything on this, but if you are, kind of just copy these here. If you got a lower end PC, probably choose software X264. What that's going to do is use your processor to record or stream. But if you have like a higher end PC, a pretty decent graphics card, you want to choose hardware NVENC, that's NVIDIA encoder. That's if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. It might be different for an AMD one, I'm not sure. But yeah, if you have a NVIDIA like GTX or RTX graphics card, you want to choose that. Leave audio bitrate. And for recording, first thing here is recording path. So what you can do is basically choose where the video is saved to once you're done recording. So you can press on that, probably just go to desktop, you can choose a file on that, or you can make a new one. So we'll make a new one now. So we'll go new folder, and you just name that like recordings, save. So you select that, select folder, and basically once we record anything in OBS, it'll automatically save to that folder. So obviously you can choose wherever you want for that. It doesn't have to be in a file, in a specific folder. You can just put it straight in the desktop or wherever you want. Alright, so the next thing is recording quality. So what you do is select that, and if you have like a really high-end PC, you could choose lossless quality, but it makes like a huge file size, so I wouldn't really recommend that. Personally, I'd go to this one, the middle one, and it'll give you a large file size, but not too bad. But if you have like a pretty budget PC, you don't have much space for like large files or anything, you can always go high quality. It should be fine. It's not really going to affect it too much, but this will give you a bit better quality, so I'll choose this one. And the recording format, this one you definitely want to change to MP4, and that will just make it so when you're like, putting in editing software or trying to upload it to, YouTube or something, it'll make it a lot easier to do. Alright, now with the encoder, basically I already explained that before, so make that NVIDIA encoder, and this stuff you can just leave. Alright, now that we've done that, you want to go to audio. This stuff you can leave. Desktop audio device, that will be disabled. I think it's default to start off with. Basically, what that's going to do is make it so when you're recording, you'll be able to hear like what you hear on your desktop. So say you're like playing a game or something, in the recording you'll be able to hear like the sounds of the games and stuff. So I've got my headphones in, so I've selected headphones. If you've got like headphones in or speakers or something, it'll come up as a different name obviously. So yeah, you just want to select that. You can leave desktop audio 2 and all these ones, and just mic auxiliary 1. If you want to record your voice, you select your microphone. So if you don't want to record your voice or anything, just leave that disabled. But if you do and you have a mic, you just select your mic, and yeah, that's all. Alright guys, and lastly, we're going to want to go to video here, and base canvas resolution. That'll just be whatever your monitor's resolution is, it should come up as that. So mine's 1080p. And the output scale is basically what you want the recording to like output the resolution as. So if you want it 1080p, you select 920 by 1080. If you want anything lower, which I wouldn't really recommend, then you can always choose that. I wouldn't do anything less than 720p unless you have like a really bad PC. But yeah, I'd go 1080, and if you have like a higher end monitor like a 1440 or 4K one, those options will be available to you as well. Now the downscale filter here also has to do with like how good your PC is and stuff. So I've just got it as bicubic, so it's like in the middle, so it's pretty decent quality, but it's not the best. If you have a really high-end PC, again, do that. If you have like really bad slow PC, you can go to bilinear. FPS type, you can just leave that as common FPS values. And this one here, common FPS values here, you want to, again, depends on what you want to record it as. If you're just recording your screen and doing like what I'm doing now, like counter videos and stuff, 30 FPS will be fine. But if you're recording games or anything, you definitely want it to be 60 FPS, so that's what I'm going to select now. And then one more thing actually that I do want to show you is hotkeys here. So what you can do is put a bunch of like different things on your keyboard, obviously, that will do these commands. So say start streaming, stop streaming, start recording, stop recording. So say I want to start recording, and I can make that F10, stop recording, F10 again. So basically whenever I start recording, when I want to record, I can just press F10 instead of coming into the OBS and pressing record, and just press F10 and it'll automatically start recording. And then yeah, you can just press it again to stop. But I do not want that, so I'm going to get rid of those. And yeah, again, you can change these to however you want, customize it to how you want. Alright guys, and now that we've done with that, you just go down here, press done, and yeah, you're all set to go. So like I said before, you can set the hotkey to what you want to start recording, or you can just go down here, press record, and you're all good. So let's do a quick test. So press record, as you can see, it tells you you've started recording, it lights up, so you know you're recording. Okay, and to stop, again, just press it, or press your hotkey that you've selected. And now, we'll make sure that's gone to that folder, so let's minimize this. So go to this folder here, the recordings folder we made, double click it, and as you can see, there's the recording we just made. So let's open that up, give it a little test. So press record, as you can see, it tells you you've started recording, it lights up, so you know you're recording. There we go. That's how easy it is to record your computer screen, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope I did help a bunch of you guys out, because I know it can be pretty confusing on how to record your screen, you know, for free, especially on your PC. But yeah, this is a pretty quick and easy way to do it. And yeah, like I said, if you did enjoy, please hit that like button and comment if it helped you. And also consider subscribing, because it really helps me out and it shows me that you guys are interested in these kind of videos. So anyway guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.